Agosaiad, 5 munud ola, rhan y cyntaf, Woman. Os yna gyfle cyntaf go iawn i'r Met. Holbert, mas at Dylan Rees, yn yr gydio, ac mae'n cael ei gwiro fewn. Cei Owen, yn neidio ati, ond Dylan Rees yn agor ysgorio i Met Caerdydd. 1 gol maen nhw wedi sgorio yn ei 6 gêm ddatha. Yn cymryd y blaen yn erbyn y deilied. Gol gyntaf maen nhw wedi sgorio fan hyn yng Nghyncoed tymor yma. Declan Poole. Poole, mewn i'r canol. Mae'n disgyn yn diwedd i Chris Owens. Chris Owens am gael ergyd. Wel, hwnna'n sicr yn teimlo bod e wedi bwrw llaw fyna. Na medde'r dyfarnwr. Mae apeliadau cryf. Aaron Williams yn mynd yn fer at Danny Davies. Croeso yn do fewn. Farquharson sy'n codi. Farquharson sy'n penio. Ac yn sgorio union i'r sgôr. Sgoriodd e 2 ganol wythnos ar ôl i Cei Connah fod gol i lawr. Enillon hwn yna. A dyn ni am weld y deiliaid yn ennill eto ar ôl bod gol lawr. Aaron Edwards, eilydd arall. Black, camgymeriad. Curran, Craig Curran. Dal i fynd, ac yn gorffen yn acrobataidd. Methu a delio da'r pwysau, a Craig Curran yn diwedd y manteisio ac yn sgorio gol hwyr. Mae rhaid bod Cei Connah am ddwyn y pwyntiau i gyd nawr.
I think generally, we didn't start the game very well. Cardiff Met started the game better than us in right the way up till half time. Really, I think we were where we probably deserved to be at half time, getting beat 1-0, and opportunity to have the second 45 minutes to then come back as we have in the past, and fantastic dressing room, great spirit, and the lads come out and they turned it round, and I thought the second half we deserved to win the second half without a shadow of a doubt. But like I said, we didn't start very well, but fortunately it was half time. It wasn't 90 minutes where we're coming back in ifs and buts and maybes, but second half were definitely better.
That takes you to 6 wins in a row, and a nice easy game midweek for you to build on that momentum.
Yeah, without a doubt. The game's been thick and fast. It's been physically really tough for everybody, not just ourselves, with a few injuries and so on and so forth, but that's been everybody, and it's a very challenging time physically with 2 days recovery, then we'll go again, maybe 1 training session in between, but like I said, that's for everyone, and we're just enjoying it, and as football, as known from the past myself, you just want to play games. So at this moment in time, it's game recovery preparation, and it's been, it's obviously been successful at this moment in time. 6 wins out of 6 is, it's a fantastic achievement at this moment in time, but obviously it's going to be a tough game on Tuesday, but we're looking forward to it. I'm no doubt TNS will look forward to it as well.